I'm Baby Jane S. Chavez, ma'am, 25 years old from Bicobian de Bilacan, Isabela. I'm single. My father's a carpenter. My mother's a domestic helper. I have two brothers and one sister. I'm a college graduate, bachelor elementary education, and a licensed professional teacher. My hobbies are cleaning, gardening, and cooking, ma'am. Uh, I work as a helper here in the Philippines since May 2020 to May 2025. I served four members of the family, one couple, and two children. They were about 1 to 10 years old, ma'am. And my main duties are cooking, ironing, laundry, dishwashing, and taking good care of the children. And I'm also their tutor on their studies, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. And you mentioned that your mother is a domestic helper. Is she still working in Hong Kong or retired already?
She's in Kuwait, ma'am.
Great. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, why you want to come Hong Kong? Because you're a licensed teacher. Suppose you can be the teacher in Philippines.
Yes, ma'am. I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, because here in the Philippines, it's hard for us to get an item in education, ma'am. And I want to try in Hong Kong, ma'am, because it is high in salary, which
Mm-hmm.
can help me, ma'am, which can help me and my family to provide their needs, and also I can help my siblings on their studies, ma'am. And I know, ma'am, that we are secured as a domestic helper in Hong Kong, ma'am, because there's a law for domestic helpers po.
Yes. Compare with Middle East, compare with Dubai, the labor law in Hong Kong is much more protective.
Yes, ma'am.
But I want to know that you are bachelor graduate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you finished how many years? The teaching?
4-year course, ma'am.
4 years course. Okay, so your major is elementary education,
Yes, ma'am. That's ES General, ma'am.
general. Okay, I know you have a license. You have a license of teacher. So do you have any experience, working experience, work as a teacher in Philippines, like primary school
Uh,
or?
yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
In public school, ma'am. More than 6 years. 6 years. More than 6 months.
More than 6 months.
Yes, ma'am. I finished one of my contract, ma'am.
One of your contracts. So one contract is only 6 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is this a primary school or secondary school or anything?
Primary school, ma'am.
Primary school. So you handle how many kids in one class?
Um, every section, I
Mm-hmm.
tried grade 6, grade 5, and grade 4, ma'am, but they were, um, I'm not sure how many pupil are there in a section,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, but there are 16 like that, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
16, not more than 20, ma'am, in every section.
Okay. Okay. So grade 6, grade 7 is like international school. International, is
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Okay. So you work in Philippines as a domestic helper, you mentioned. How many years you work for this family?
Uh, 5 years, ma'am.
5 years.
As,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. While I'm studying, ma'am.
Okay. So you're a stay-in helper or a stay-out helper in this family?
Uh, Stay in, ma'am.
Stay in, but you also continue your study.
Yes, ma'am. Because
Mhm.
that time, ma'am, it has COVID.
COVID time, okay. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
also except taking care of them, you also be the tutor, assisting the homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Do you need to sleep with them?
Sometimes, ma'am.
Hmm. So how old are the kids? There are two kids. How old are the kids when you start working for them?
The girl is one, ma'am, 1 year old, and the boy is 5.
5 years old. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When they like 2 years old or 4 years old something, maybe they will fight with each other. How can you handle if they fight with each other? How can you handle the situation?
Um, um, I, 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 I talk to them, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
I find ways, ma'am, for them to stop fighting, and as long as whatever it is na ano, ma'am. I'm
Can
sorry.
stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do the different strategies just for them to stop fighting.
Okay, nice strategy. Because you have no kid and do you have boyfriend? Do you have boyfriend?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay. Is he working in Philippines also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any plans of getting married or giving birth with him?
Yes, ma'am. And until I finish my contract.
Okay, 2 years, right? Because we have two
Yes.
years contract in Hong Kong, but if the employer want you to stay longer, are you willing to renew the contract?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, but you also plan like maybe you earn money first and let's see if you want to get married or have baby, right? You will finish the contract first.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Um, and one more question is, can you cook Chinese food?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn how to cook a Chinese food, ma'am.
Okay. And like if you need to share room with the kid in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is very small, so probably you need to share room with the kid. Are you willing to wake up at the midnight to take care of them sometime?
Um, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay.
willing, ma'am.
And what will you do if they getting sick? If they are getting sick, not feeling not feeling comfortable, what will you do?
I'm going to tell to their parents, ma'am, and we're going to a doctor for them to give what is the best medicine for them, ma'am.
Hmm. Will you just give the medicine without instruction from the employer?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay. And last, I'm not sure because in Hong Kong,
Ah,
uh yes, it's okay.
ah,
Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. And I want you to show me like any song you can sing. Can you sing me a song like a nursery song to the kid?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you show me? Can you show me? Yeah.
Just a little bit, ma'am.
Yeah, just a
Is it
little bit here.
okay?
Mm-hmm.
Um, there was a farmer had a dog that Bingo was his name. Oh, Bingo, Bingo. That Bingo was his name. Oh, like
Thank
that, ma'am.
you. Thank you. Perfect. So you can also read the storybook with the kid. You're confident,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.